Hello, everyone. Good morning or evening or afternoon, depending where are you in the world. Yes, the day has come. This is the culmination of a month of intense working, learning, building, and above all, having fun. We all wish, all the team and all the Eternity family wish that you have had a great time during this hackathon. And let's start a little introduction to what the hackathon has been. Like first, what we want to do is like to thank you and congratulate you for an incredible work done, and also to remind this little meme that we have used in the hackathon, that having your oracles out of your blockchain is like having your steering wheel out of your car. So this is what we have been doing, like putting oracles inside our car and having the steering wheel inside our projects. So let's first have a look to some interesting facts and figures that have arose during the hackathon. And first, during these days, the Devpost page, the hackathon has received more than almost 4,000 visits with an average duration in the website of almost 10 minutes. And this is very interesting. 1/3 of the people that submitted a project did not know aeternity before. And this is even more interesting. 90% of the teams are willing to continue working on the project after the hack. The other 10% still don't know. So no one has said that they are not intending to work anymore on the project, which is really nice news. About the educational effort that we have made, again, after the Human DeFi hack, we have made like 10 webinar sessions, including 3 AMAs to solve all your doubts. So far, these videos have had more than 500 views, also from people that couldn't attend them and wanted to not miss the content delivered there. And again, we are committed with these hackathons that we are performing at least every quarter to make them a great educational tool for you to learn to build an Eternity network, and above all, to continue with you and accompany you in your path of development of decentralized applications on top of our Eternity network. So talking about this global world we live in, it's amazing to see and to know that we have had 143 participants coming from 33 countries. Amazing. From every part of the globe, there has been people working on this hackathon, with the result of 15 projects being submitted and 10 being valid for assessment. And those are the ones about we are gonna announce the winners today. And this is like a little summary of the survey you have made. Thanks for it. And this is a real reward for all the team and all the Eternity community. It seems that people have been really happy. Almost we got like the highest score. People has been really satisfied with the hackathon. So this is like great motivation for us to keep on working and improving it for every hackathon. And this is mostly done with your feedback that we already have, and we really appreciate, and start analyzing to get action plans to improve in any angle that could affect the developer experience building on Eternity. So yes, we are approaching to starting to announce winners. And this is the panel of judges, amazing professionals that have devoted their blockchain wisdom to support the assessment of all the projects submitted. And here we have with us also Sagar Barbalilla, head of venture development of Blocked Rocket, who will announce one of the awards and do a little introduction about the work of Blocked Rocket. So I think without any more delay, we can start. What time is it? I don't want to make the spoiler with the announcement with Devpost, but yes, I think we are ready to start. And we're going to start. Omar, the amazing Omar from the dev marketing team, and a critical part together with Eric and Nikita of the hack, will announce the Best Prototype Award. And the Best Prototype Award goes
to City Hunt. City Hunt is an augmented reality treasure hunt game where you need to solve puzzles about your city history, art, culture, literature, etc. to find collectible NFT cards hidden in the city. Everything that Nazeli Terpretosian, I hope I spelled it right, has done. Well, I think it's a great idea to support those NFT also on aeternity blockchain. And congratulations for your prototype. It looks really promising, and we encourage you to keep working and on this for having an entire product on the future. So congratulations again, and thanks for the honor of giving the first result and the first award of this hackathon. It was really cool for me, and I'm really excited to see how all those projects move forward and evolve.
Yeah, thank you. Are you by any chance here, Nazeli? It's not, so now we go for the next award. Eric, who is the ambassador's manager in Aeternity. I think everyone knows him and his amazing work supporting ambassadors along the community building. He will announce the most impactful project award. Please, Eric, turn on your camera.
Hey there. Yeah. So, drum roll. Who do you think will win? It's a Fiat.
And the winner is.
So you might know A-Kitty. You know, A-Kitty is one of the most active communities, I would say, in the Eternity community, which brought a lot of developers. And now actually, out of the 10 projects that are here at the hackathon, 2 are also from A-Kitty, from Nigeria. So I'm really proud that one of them also made it as one of the winners here for the most impactful project. A fiat is a suite of oracles that connects with payment platforms to confirm a fiat transaction. And I think it's really important to have more projects in this fiat gateway space, especially with oracles. So yeah, have a look at the project on Devpost, and I think really deserves this prize.
Yeah, really. Woo! Congratulations, Jinka. Amazing work, and it's also a very important building block. I think the tool, the project you have submitted, it's opening the path for a lot of use cases that we can wait to see live working and gaining real users. Okay, so next one, it's gonna be presented by Sagar. Please take the stage and introduce yourself, please.
Hi guys, I'm based in Germany. I'm head of venture development at PropRocket. We are leading startup accelerator and investor, so feel free to apply. I just put the link in chat below. If you are like early stage startup, if you are looking for funding, and don't worry about if you're even not present in Europe, we still look for like around the world startup. So we invest up to like 150,000 euro. And we take in return like 2 to 5% equity. So if you are working in blockchain and if you are doing if you are building like next big thing in blockchain space, then please reach out to our website and apply through our application form, and looking forward to your application. And Alex, now it's time to announce the winner, right?
Thanks, Agar. And the winner goes.
So that's a quite tough competition, right? So the best DeFi
Yes. Prediction cards.
Yes, prediction market 2.0. Yeah, congratulations, guys. I think you guys are doing really good by prediction, providing that on smart contract. Yeah, congratulations once again. Yeah, and feel free to reach out to us. Yeah, if you need something, or like if you need market in Germany. Yeah.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Sagar. Let's continue. So next one is the community award that will be announced by Omar.
Yes, once again, happy to be announcing the winners on this hackathon. Yeah, so exciting. So, but let's move forward. Let's move forward. So there is not so much suspense. So the winner is for the community award is Vegas. Congratulations, Vegas. Vegas is a gambling city like the name of the app, it's possible to gamble with AI tokens using a professing machine to get external information, of course, through our great oracles. Here, the blockchain is used for gambling, of course, as long as the game can participate in the guessing that you can realize through the app. And well, happy to say congratulations to Vaccine and all the team. So here is, I think you are here, right, Vaccine? You want to say something? Congratulations, man.
Congratulations, Vaccine. Really deserved prize.
Looks very nice, looks very well, and I also think that there is a good future with this application. So let's move and keep the good work of all your team.
Cool. So we proceed. We are getting to bigger and bigger awards. The next one is one of the big prizes, which is the best oracles-based app. And this award goes to Oracles 2.0 from Jivanjot, which I think it's here. So it's great. Congratulations, Jivanjot. Round of applause, big prize. You have won. If you want to tell us a little bit in 30 seconds about Oracles 2.0 now that you are here, please feel free, jump into the room, or then I will explain what's Oracles 2.0.
Thank you very much, guys, and I'm very honored to create this thing on Eternity. And as I said, I was very excited to share this my project, and also like I'm very glad it got created in the hackathon period from scratch. So what it actually does is, first of all, we know the oracle's default way in Eternity, like how you register the oracle and create a query on top of it. First of all, it minimizes that kind of creation technique, and it handles this creation technique inside in its own library. So there are like predetermined oracles in general use, and like for example for price feed, for one for audit trial, one for encrypted queries, and user just need to create queries using the say API. They will get the results in their smart contracts, the easiest way as I can think of.
Wow, Jivanjot, congratulations. Again, another great, not consumer-related product, but a great building block for people to have easier access to deploy and work with the Eternity oracles on their smart contracts. So congratulations again, a very well-deserved prize.
Thank you very much, guys. Could not have been possible without your mentorship.
Thanks to you. But you did the work, man. We are here to help. Okay, let's continue with the best mentor that will be announced by Eric.
So the best mentor, so there were several people who were really helping a lot on the Discord channel with all the technical questions, but the community and the participants, let's say, decided for Gyan Lakshmi. She's also our ambassador for Eternity since over a year, I think, and she has developed also great state channels, tutorial, and yeah, she is a really great addition and contributed a lot to the community. So we're really happy to have her with us at the hackathons and in the ecosystem in general.
Thanks a lot, Gian. I think you are not here to personally congratulate you. And thanks, Eric, for the announcement. And now we have bad news and good news. Well, or not that, probably that bad news. The point is that some of the awards, like the best multi-sig implementation, state channels game in Superhero, or also, for example, the best new superhero feature, and so on, were not valid. We had no valid submissions to be awarded for the prize. So those have been declared empty, but we want to recognize the effort made by all the participants, and we have set up this special AI Builders award, which goes to iPrediction Market, Blinkit, ASwap, HMS, and iAssurance. Woo! Congratulations, guys. We really wanted
Congrats.
to recognize and reward this effort you have made. So everyone has voted and developed great projects, and we want to recognize and reward this work, mostly for continuing with it, because we don't really want, or no, we don't want projects to be forgotten at the GitHub repos. And all the team, like we are going to speak now, is available for you to continue the support and getting the projects to be in a public live URL first, and then to start advancing further until to the point that you are prepared to evolve in further phases of the life of your project. And in this regard, we are like happy to introduce the jam sessions. And you will be thinking, where is a jam session? Okay, so in the same sense that music is a creative activity and people gathers in jam sessions to learn from others, create stuff together and have fun, we're going to do this with all the communities. So from now on, there will be a weekly spot in which all the builders community, we will be joining together, not only to solve your technical doubts live with the help of our amazing devs, but also to give feedback and fine-tuning to the project ideas, to the development, and so on. So these projects can evolve and get out from GitHub to the real world with users. And the first jam session will be focused on helping everyone, if there is any trouble, to get the projects public, hosted, and accessible in a public URL to start getting people knowing about your projects, and also to be working products. Like after the hackathon, there should be, and there is some more news with after these jam sessions. The next natural step for those projects with evolve properly is that we have put in motion the Token Sale Factory, which is an initiative that provides the infrastructure, the mentorship, coaching, and all the resources for helping teams that have a potentially successful product to go over the process of conducting a crowdfunding campaign to fund the projects and start having funding to do like the big step or the big jump from the MVP to a product that can be used by real people and gain real traction. We will be sending the schedule on the invitation to the first jam session shortly. And also, if any one of you is interested in participating in the Token Sale Factory program, just ping us. I think Annie, who is leading the program, has just joined us. I don't know if you want probably explain some more about the Token Sales Factories. You are more than welcome.
Appreciate it. Sorry for me being late. We were having a workshop with Token Sale Factory, so that was the reason. And yeah, I guess Alex shortly introduced, but the idea is to help you to tokenize, to learn, to be by your side through the whole process, and be your mentors and advisors. I mean, the process is similar to the hackathon, meaning we will work very closely and we will answer on all your questions. But that's sorry, because I really didn't hear what you said, so I don't know which part to explain, but let me just shortly go through the flow. Usually the process starts with application, where mentors review the current situation, the idea you have, what's the previously work done, and where potentially the help is needed. Then we will schedule a general call just to meet each other and to hear a bit more. And after that, with other project, you would start the addition of workshops, which are on one side highly educational, but on the other side, they are more hands-on. We sit and work. So during that 1 hour, we essentially go through all necessary areas, the main areas, and after the workshop, you finish with the document you can continue using. But so let's stop there. And of course, whoever is interested, you know, Alex, we are on the group, so let's just schedule a call and talk a bit more in details. Cool. Thank you.
Thanks to you, Hani. It's really amazing, the initiative that is being taken with the token sale factory, to be truthful. Let me go back to the presentation. Wait a moment. Yes, here we have it. Even though for this, we don't really need a lot of slides, because we are pretty much done on the only thing that rests to say is congratulations, everyone. It has been a real pleasure to enjoy together this energy, this passion, and this knowledge that you already had and that you are improving. And this is so great. We have seen it like compared to the last hackathon, the type of the questions and it's completely different. The questions were much more complex. I think you even made Omar have a hard time sometimes, and Nikita. So that's a very good news, because that means that people is progressing in their AI development path, and we can be more happy about it. So stay tuned, because we're going to launch another hackathon really soon, even sooner than the time that passed from the Human Dev Hack and the Akshwani Hæck, and we will be delighted on counting with you again. Thanks everyone, first the participants, the team, Annie, Sagar for judging, and all the rest of the judges, all the collaborators that have helped us spread the word to accomplish these amazing results with which we are so satisfied. And we will be even more when we can see the projects live in a public URL as working products like they should be to continue the development. So let's continue building. Any final remark from any of you, or any question from you, the participants here? We will, by the way, ping the winner soon to organize the delivery of the awards and the uploading in the public URL and so on. This will happen in this week. And if there is no final words or any comment from anyone, I guess we can wrap the Akshwani Hæck. Yes.
There is some question in the chat. Interesting ones.
Which one? What will be the topic of the next hackathon?
People is excited already.
Yes, that's nice. Thanks a lot, Tech. We are still like assessing some possibilities. We don't want to make the spoiler, but with the experience we have had with these two past hackathons, and also the needs of what people likes to do and to talk, I think we are gonna come with another very cool hackathon for you to continue learning, building, and of course having chances of winning these awards to help you continue with the projects, to take them to reality and to be projects that generate are sustainable and generate users and activity. Okay, so again, thank you very much. Hope to see you really soon, everyone, and to continue this path we are doing together. Stay tuned for the first jam session. It's going to be really fun to gather all together. Think also that between people from different teams in the hackathon, now that the hackathon is closed, you can find some people to strengthen your teams, to cover the needs you might have in the development. So it's really good that we really get together, gather, and talk about the projects, ideas, and dreams that we have to make them real. Thanks a lot, everyone, and see you soon. Go Eternity, go IKT.
Congratulations to all.
Thank you, guys. Congratulations. Thanks, Alex.
Thanks.